I'm just gonna record you the whole time.
That's fine. Get the
we're gonna act like you're famous.
Yes.
I'm just gonna be like this the whole time. What's going on, guys? Happy Friday. It's 8:45 in the morning. It's 53 degrees and it's pouring down rain. And I'm not sure. There we go. Pouring down rain. And we made this plan the other day to go get some exhaust videos of me and my buddy Landon's truck, and didn't expect it to rain. So we're gonna do it anyway. I wanted to get some like on the highway, like flybys, things like that, so you can kind of hear the truck better as it passes you. I know this is video 3 of exhaust stuff, but I think it's better content. So anyway, enjoy. Well, that turned out to be a little bit of a bust. I think we got the footage we wanted, but I wish it wasn't raining so bad. We could get a little better, but either way. And that was my first donut, I guess you could say, that I've ever done in this Tahoe. I want to find a bigger parking lot so I have a little more room. I can leave it spinning, but man, those light poles, man. I've seen way too many internet videos of people smacking light poles with the side of their car, and I do not want to be one of those videos. So we'll have to find a little bigger parking lot to let it rip a little more and flex her legs. I'm just gonna record you the whole time.
That's fine. Get the
we're gonna act like you're famous.
Yes.
I'm just gonna be like this the whole time. Look, I'm just gonna be like this the whole time.
Just super uncomfortable the whole time.
Yeah. Just because he's the one that doesn't like to be on camera.
I'm the only one that's been on camera.
Here we go. I'll get it up for you.
That works really nice.
I don't know why everybody leans back when they're on camera. Hold on, sorry. There we go.
Oh yeah. Hi. Yeah, baby, we're gonna play laser tag. It's my mom.
I'm just gonna awkwardly film people.
You're gonna awkwardly film us?
That's your. He said that's your mom. This is when you publicly shame him. This is your opportunity to go. I don't know who this is.
You better be careful. Matthew Sanders model 288. You don't like those?
Appreciate it, my guy. Woo! Bro, them shoes are fire. Oh! Almost tripped. Your face hasn't started yet. What if we put lasers in your eyeballs?
I don't think it started. Shoot them on in the face. Hold the high ground.
Hold the high ground? All right. I don't think that's gonna work. Oh, I got shot.
Oh, shoot the people up here.
What are y'all doing? They're killing me. I'm getting crushed out here.
right, let's see how horrible I did.
Yeah, Devon, where you at? I'm
Hey, I got second place.
Devon, I'm number 1. I'm literally number 1. Where are you?
Hey, Devon won't tell nobody what his name was. I don't know. Hey, keep that accuracy rate online.
Hey,
Lion.
which one were you?
Lion.
You had good accuracy.
My hit percentage was way high. Well, my accuracy was trash because I was, I know it was him. I was just free fire. Y'all kept running into it.
Hey, I gave y'all a bunch of hit points though. Lion. Oh, we lost. Hey, Bear, that had to have been you. That had to have been you.
Well, I was the bear.
Dude was up there just camping.
Oh, that was me.
This video is gonna be called Jimmy.
No, Pookie J.
Pookie J.
It's right here.
Pookie J.
you
What is
can't-
SQR?
Simply Quick Racing.
Simply Quick Race. Is that a drag team or something?
Yeah.
Okay.
Stop it. Stop.
Look at all my sweat glands.
Get up there on the forehead.
Hey, old people sweat.
Sweat beads.
Whoa, hairline.
Yeah. Easy. It's going on YouTube, I promise.
Oh yeah, it probably is. Look at the stance.
I know better now.
Okay, you got it.
All right, let's do it. Yeah.
Okay.
That felt strong. That was good. That was good.
Right. Solid effort. That
For,
was a
hey,
warm-up.
considering you missed the first one completely.
That was a good warm-up. Hey, take the act.
All right, who's next? Who's next?
That's awesome.
Zachariah? Is your name Zachariah? That'd be awesome. You gotta put money in it. You gotta put money in it.
It's too high.
It's not too high when you...
That is too high.
Pretend you're fighting a tall person.
Natural.
Yeah.
Hey, lay on the ground.
Leaman's like our adopted dad. Where are all your kids?
Wait. Dang it.
I think you missed.
No, she hit it. She hit it almost harder than another kid did.
You only got one.
No do-overs. Red only got to do it over because he completely missed it.
I don't have
All you got to beat is Red.
I'm way top.
Hey, he was like, I can't. Oh, that's true. Okay. Hold on. Are you left-handed?
No, right-handed, but I hit.
I hear you. I hear you. Bro.
That's a good hit.
Bro.
Hey.
Hey, he drew up slow, but he came through really fast. This video's all about you.
I don't. Why does it have to be about me?
It doesn't. That's the thing.
But it is.
Yeah. Are you right-handed? All right, here we go. Hold on.
I'm right here.
This one's like to get hit by Jimmy. Oh, that looked good, yeah. What happened? It looked real good. So
It looked like it went hurt.
Zach was like, no, I
I'm gonna do it again. Not gonna lie. Do it again.
yeah, I'm
Do it
telling you, it's
again, Zach.
addicting, dude.
Oh yeah. Let me-
Hey, do a
put somebody's face
hey,
right here.
do a hook. Yeah, get beside it and just like hook into it.
Okay.
I'm telling you, he's got it. Is that the same as your last one?
852 last.
Okay.
Everything's so much.
You wanna run up to it?
Get angry.
It sure looks like you're gonna run up to it.
Motor mount. Take a step.
Oh, okay.
I'm not gonna run. Back part of the excuse. 2018 motor mount.
You get tired before you get there?
Thought out.
Did you hit it with your other hand too?
I think it grazed it. Just like grazed it. Hey.
He's getting there, man. Should I hook or run up?
Can I be kicking from that high?
I can. That's awful close. If you're gonna do it, like, yeah.
You're not gonna hit it.
Am I in there?
Yeah.
Okay. 941. No, that was cool. had to have hit it so much harder. I know. I beat the high score the first time.
Is this that holding you back?
No, it hurts. Like it's like
Bonding?
no, that's power. That's speed.
Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying.
I'm not doing. What do you
Oh,
want
you
to
can select the game.
What do you want to do? Looks like
It's over
power.
now.
Oh, I've already dropped it.
Oh, I see. That had to have been a good one. What? This game's rigged.
I'll spin on one right now. I'll do one more.
Oh, now it's speed.
Oh, I get another one to speed.
What's the other one? Reflex? This speed.
Oh, reflex. It must like drop it down. You gotta
miles
punch
an
it.
hour? Okay.
It's kilometers, for sure.
89.3. Oh, it's clock, so it's gonna look real good. We just say it's miles an hour. I broke my car. What is that in miles an hour? 60 or 70 or 60? I have no idea. Alright, let's try. Let's see if I beat that again.
Oh my word.
Let me see if I can beat it again. I feel like I can. Hey, run up. I bet I got it.
Yeah.
Triple ball. Can you max it out? I wonder what the max is. How you beat it?
I think that's all I got.
You got one more. Oh, you mean like one in? Yeah.
That's 59 miles an hour.
Is it? That's a hit right there.
That's fast, yeah.
Getting hit at 60?
Yeah, you can tell people that you send their face flying at 60 miles an hour.
You beat the 59 miles an hour.
I tried to catch it.
There's so much oil. So much oil. You're not gonna
slick?
You're not gonna.
Oh, there's no spin?
Go. Dude, that hit dead.
Oh, there going, almost got it.
That hit dead on the corner of the board.
Did you hear that sound? Did you hear that sound? What weight is that? 6 pounds. You got to put your fingertips. There you go. Okay. The ball stopped at the bin. All right, opposite hand.
All right,
Opposite hand.
That's the only good frame I have.
Left-handed with your normal weight ball. Like,
With the normal weight?
Yeah,
ball?
normal.
I've been throwing this one or the big green.
yeah, whatever. Yeah.
Oh, God, so heavy.
What is it?
Opposite hand, normal ball.
I can't even.
Like, try to bowl.
I must launch the ball back at y'all when I pulled it back.
The 15?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. I had no clue how to do anything.
Yes.
Oh, bro, that looked half good.
I thought you.
Huh? We're heading out. See you guys.
Lucky for me, I'm ambidextrous.
Yeah.
Thank you for coming.
Yeah.
See you, dude.
What?